Good evening. Happy Friday. Yeah, it's weekend. Let's get this started, huh? Let's see. Weekly mortgage rate update. Today, your Mortgage News Daily 30-year fixed average was 6.14% APR. That is down. That is down from last Friday. I don't know if I was debating whether I say a lot, a little, more than expected. Last Friday, it was at 6.27% APR. So rates are trending the way they are supposed to, as they say. Let's see what happened this week. Not a lot of information came out on the inflationary front, except for Thursday. There were some production inflation numbers that came in just slightly above consensus. So there was a little slight bump up on Thursday on rates. But otherwise, everything is trending as planned for a quarter rate cut next Wednesday from the Fed. And what's that going to do for rates? Nothing. That's already baked in, unless, like I said, unless the Fed comes out and cuts by 0.5%. If that happens, again, you'll see rates will drop significantly then if that happens, because that would be a shock to the market. The market is anticipating, I don't know how they do this, but they're anticipating a third of a rate cut, 1/3% rate cut, but the Fed doesn't go by thirds, they only go by quarters. So interesting. I guess that the market would be anticipating there is a possibility that there might be a 0.5% cut. So yeah, that's big news. Next week, everybody's going to be waiting for, and then they're going to wait for the comments from the Federal Reserve and what they are saying as far as future rate cuts. I think that will have more impact on mortgage rates as far as what they say in the future versus what's going to happen on Wednesday and which they actually cut. Again, unless they move 0.5% versus 1/4%. So let's see what's going on in the market. A lot of activity. People are starting to realize that rates are getting lower. Refis are coming around. Be sure to talk to your clients about that. They get a lot of calls now from call centers that give them crazy weird rates. But in the fine print, there's massive points to get down to those rates. So if you have clients that are calling, wondering if there's a refi, or if they should refi, or who they contact to refi, make sure that they talk to the appropriate people, because there's a lot of noise out there, crazy rates, but like I said, the points are huge, and it may not make sense at this time to pay the points yet, because there's still more decline in the mortgage rates coming. So it may make sense to refi right now, but not pay any points, right? Because here in the near future, there's going to be another refi coming along. So all I can say is rate rebound. This is what it's here for, and we can do it as many times as you want in the 5 years, and we still have that program going even though rates are declining. So anyway, have a great weekend. Beautiful fall weather. Look at the clouds in the back. So picturesque. I love Montana. I think I say that every time, but I really do. So have a great weekend. Be safe. If I can help out with anything, quotes, conversations, just a good hoorah, here we go, help you out, get you moving those properties. That's what I'm here for. So talk to you soon. Bye.